Good day and welcome to the Gulf News Update for Tuesday, June the 17th. Here are the top stories at this hour. A parent-school contract for the academic year 2014-15 in Dubai is now ready for parents to sign, the Knowledge and Human Development Authority has announced. The KHDA launched the legally binding and mandatory contract on June 1st to reduce disputes between parents and schools by outlining each party's rights and responsibilities. The main issues covered by the contract include admission, fees, curriculum, attendance, and behavior. Nearly 300 American forces are being positioned in and around Iraq to help secure U.S. assets as President Barack Obama nears a decision on an array of options for combating fast-moving insurgents. The U.S. and Iran also held an initial discussion on how the long-time foes might cooperate to ease the threat from the Al-Qaeda-linked militants that have swept through Iraq. Pakistan's Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif has urged Afghan President Hamid Karzai to help stop militants escape a major military offensive. The call came as Pakistani jets pounded Taliban hideouts for a third day on Tuesday. Football and German coach Joachim Low poured praise on Thomas Muller after the latter scored the first hat-trick of the 2014 World Cup to down Portugal 4-0 last night. Tonight, the Arab world will unite behind Algeria as they begin their campaign against Belgium in Belo Horizonte. The match kicks off at 8 p.m. UAE time. The blood-filled finale of the fourth season of Game of Thrones was watched by 7.1 million viewers, HBO said on Monday. The show has surpassed The Sopranos to become HBO's most popular series ever, with the final episode screened in the UAE on Sunday night. Steven Spielberg's next two films have been slated for October 2015 and July 2016. DreamWorks announced on Monday that an untitled Cold War spy thriller from Spielberg will open on October 16th next year, and the BFG is planned for July 1st, 2016. And finally, the weather. Today's high across the UAE will be 38 degrees Celsius, dropping to 29 degrees at night. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. And as always, you can get the latest news at gulfnews.com.